Today it's the 3rd of May 2023. We have what's it? Lammastie, Lammastie Force-Taxi, the Finland CMB. It was built in 1973 originally, turning 50 years old this year, 2023. And it was replaced in 1999, probably the beginning of 1999 as far as we know at the moment. This invoice is 69719. It will be 25 years old next year, 2024, and it has 2 rides. We expected this year, 2023. It's here in Pähkinärinne, Vantaa, Vantaa, Helsinki, Force Region, Uusmaija, Finland, close to Myrmäki, Vantaa. Here the foam style is the older track. Is like a Spets modernized, is the older one?
Yeah.
Here is that also the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, also close to low hill Dixter. And I'll press the button.
Yeah.
Very rare because it's early 1999 sort of.
Yeah. This pit bike and maintained by Kone.
Yes. There are 3 stickers here.
Yeah.
And plus 2 more in Malaysia's. Still a bit earlier replacement when they were 26. But,
Yeah.
But do we know it was MP8 originally here?
No. But
Probably.
yeah.
Because I don't know if Lammastie did so many bottom-driven elevators.
Yeah.
Did they do it?
No. So I think this was Kone before.
Yeah, so Kone was much more likely.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's